Good morning, students. Today we are going to read about tense. What is tense? Tense is used to show the time at which the action of a verb takes place. Tense is that which shows when an action takes place. When means in past time or in present time or in future time. Kinds of tense. There are three kinds of tense. First is present tense, second is past tense, and third is future tense. And further, these all three tenses are divided into four classes as simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So, student, give your attention here. Present tense. There are four kinds of present tense as first simple present tense, which is also called present indefinite tense. Second, present continuous tense, which is also called present imperfect tense. Third, present perfect tense, which is also, and fourth is present perfect continuous tense. There are four kinds of present tense, and hence there are four kinds of past tense also. Number one, simple past tense or past indefinite tense, past continuous tense or past imperfect tense, past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense. These four. And future tense is also divided into four classes. First, simple future tense or future indefinite tense, future continuous tense or future imperfect tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. And hence there are 12 tenses which we have to read about. When you start reading tense, you should read at first the rules and structure of each tenses, and then you should learn about the uses of tenses, because there is difference between time and tense. Time is not tense. It means tense is a grammatical term, but time is used for time universally. There are so many tense that not only show the particular time, but it also shows other time, like present indefinite tense is used to show the present time, but occasionally it is also used for future time. Example, the Prime Minister comes today in Lucknow, or the Prime Minister comes tomorrow in Lucknow. These are sentences. So it is not necessary that the particular tense will show the particular time only. Different tenses can show different time. Then student, at first we should learn the structure of each tenses, and so we are starting simple present tense. As you know, there are different types of sentences, but here in each tense we'll discuss about 5 kinds of sentence as affirmative, negative, interrogative, and WH questions. So, firstly, affirmative. The structure of this sentence is subject plus V1 or V5 plus object plus other word. And here you have to note that third person singular number requires V5. It means S form. It means V1 plus S or ES plus I or IES. And the other persons will take only V1. It means the first form of verb. Example, I read English grammar. I read English grammar. Here I is first person and it takes here read. It means V1. Second, Ram reads English grammar. Here Ram takes reads. It means V5. Next is interrogative negative sentence. In negative sentence, the structure is subject plus do or does plus not plus V1 plus object plus other word. Look here, the V5 is only used in the affirmative and simple present tense. It means V5 is only used in simple present tense and affirmative sentences. Otherwise, V5 is not used. Here, V1 is written here. It means if you write does in a sentence, then V5 is not required. Understood? Example, I do not read English grammar. Ram does not read English grammar. Here, we are looking that I take do, it means V1, and Ram take does, it means V5. Understood? Because Ram is third person singular number. What is third person singular number? Third person singular number is he, she, it, or name of anything. Clear? If you don't know about persons and numbers, then inform me. I'll make video on that. The third is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is to ask questions, and its structure is do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus other word. Example, do I read English grammar? Does Ram read English grammar? Here also, look, I take do, but Ram takes here does. Next is negative interrogative. The structure of the sentence is do plus do or does plus subject plus not plus object plus other word. Example, do I not read English grammar? Or does Ram not read English grammar? Fifth, WH question. What is the difference between interrogative, simple interrogative like third number, and fifth? Third number requires the answer in yes or not, and the fifth number requires the answer in details, in one word, one sentence, or in a paragraph. The fifth structure is WH word. What is WH word? WH word is like what, when, where, which. These are called WH words. WH words plus do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus other word. Example is, when do I read English grammar? There when is WH word. When does Ram read English grammar? Because Ram is the singular number, so it takes does. Clear? And after this, we have to study the structure of present continuous tense, and this will be taught in uh, next video. Okay, so hope you will understand this all things on which we have talked here. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I am ready to explain and give you answer. So I am closing these videos here. Thank you. Have a nice day.